Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Well, it looks like a Joy Sunday kit. Oh, we got two of them. All right. This bag comes from GBFKE, and if they have any specials or I have a discount code, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's get to the first kit, and this first kit is 44 by 44, 14 count, and it was $11.92. So let's get it out of the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Very nice, very durable. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Some days they're so tight. This is called Trellis After Rain. Is that not beautiful? Look at all those roses. We're going to have some back stitching, like kind of here, there, and everywhere. You know, just to highlight things. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. I like the brown and the rose colors all against all that. So yeah, beautiful. Just gorgeous. We have a nice paper pattern. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Let's open this up. We have, holy cow. Holy cow. Okay. First things first. There are two sets of keys. This set goes to the paper pattern. This set goes to the canvas. There are 59 colors. You have 41 of them in full stitch. And let me see. 25 colors in half cross stitch, and you have back stitch. So no French knots in this one, but there is, you can see, back stitching on every page pretty much. There's some there. There is a lot there. They go around the leaves and then around the flowers, and that's just one page. So you have, how many parts? You have 6 pages. It's divided up into 6 pages if you'd like to do it that way. It is 200 stitches by 200 stitches, 14 count. Oh my goodness. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. Anything else I know? We have 939. We have 3371, which is a dark brown. And we have 3864, but not 3865. Oh, it's down here. In the half cross stitches, we have 3865 and B5200. No 550 purple. And nothing else that I really know of. So yeah, that is a lot of half cross stitch. So, and it is full coverage cross stitch, so this ought to be unique. Let's take a look at those colors before we get very far. Now this comes on 2 thread cards, comes on this specialty card. Get it undone. You have 2 needles. I'm not going to remove that staple because then the needle will get lost, and it does have the product number right here on both cards. It says 1 of 2. This says 2 of 2. So let's take a look here. We have light greens, light blues. Kind of have a darkish red, which is 816. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just beautiful. I'm anxious to do the the flowers on this to see if they're as muted as you would think they were. Some more browns, more greens, kind of a goldish green, brown, pink, kind of a rose color. And over here we have more greens. This is going to be very well shaded. Very, very well shaded. Just beautiful, neutral type colors, if you will. You know, there's a few darker ones, but, you know, hey, it'll be fine. I think it'll be beautiful. Lots of thread. Boy, I guess it is 45 by 45, so it is serged all the way around. Symbols do not look smeared or like they've gotten wet. And the back stitching is going to make this pattern, it goes the other way, Laura Jean. Go this way here. Sorry, we got things rolling around. But right now it looks like blobs, but once you get the back stitching in, it'll be just lovely. Just lovely. Nice key. You can pretty much see all the numbers and the symbols. You know, they might need to be bigger for others. And nice thin fabric. Let's measure this. It is 44.5 centimeters, or about little over 17.5 inches. And this way it is 44.5, 17.5. And this way is, I'm trying to get it to lay down, looks like 14.1/8 inches, or 36 centimeters by 14.5. Oh, almost 14.5 inches, or almost 37 centimeters. Very nice size. You could almost just start at the top and work your way down. But it is just stunning. Stunning. I can't get over how well it is printed. And it doesn't, you know, look confettied or anything like that for, good Lord, how many colors were there? 59 color, no, wrong thing. Yeah, 59 colors total. I can't get over how many half cross stitches, so that'll help push it along. For sure. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Now that is all that I got from GBFKE. Thank you, GBFKE, for these two beautiful kits. I am so sorry. We're losing our mind. We're losing our mind. Beep, 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 backing. I'm like, wow, that went fast. Yeah, we have another kit. We're losing our minds. Oh my God. We're going crazy. This is the second one. Joy Sunday, because I didn't want to leave this out. I'm like, oh, where's that other one? Holy cow. Have I been doing this too long or what? All right. This one is 34 by 33, and it's called 8 Kittens. One can never have too many cats. Is that not cool looking? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Love it. Look at the Siamese, and then we have a tuxedo. Then we have a marmalade one. And I'm assuming that's another Siamese. Maybe one of these are Persians. I don't know. But I just think they are cool looking. And this one was $6.40. It's going to have some back stitching, because you're going to have to bring out all those cats and all the little things. This is a partial. Oh, I love the mouse hanging from his claw. Isn't that cool? Just absolutely cool. Cool. Yep. Everything cats this time. I'm telling you. Okay, this is 150 by 141. So open it up. So the pattern is, this is the top, I'm assuming. And you turn it around and there is the rest of it. Just too cool for school. Now this only has one key on here. This key will match the paper pattern. We have a total of 31 colors. We have 30 colors in full stitch, and we only have back stitching in this, so there are 6 colors in back stitch, no half cross stitch or French knots. Very nice. They always have such a good pattern, and it's so easy to see stuff 95% of the time. You know, especially, well, I gotta say one thing about that one I got from Joy Sunday, and it's a lady standing there looking at all the flowers. Yeah, that was the worst I've ever seen, how you're supposed to follow that back stitching. Yeah, because it was like yellow on white, and it was terrible. I don't know who designed that, but that was not a good one. I mean, if you're going to follow the back stitching, terrible. But this is very easy to see. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Love it. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 2 thread cards, and it comes on the same thread card with 2 needles. We've got 3799, which is that pewter, dark pewter, charcoaly look. I'm assuming that's going to be for back stitching. Trying to get everybody undone here. So we got bright blues and greens and, I don't know, kind of a rustish orange, kind of a medium rustish orange, a tan. Just beautiful. We have 310 black. Not seeing anything else. I know. We have B5200 for the white. No 3371 in this either. So beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Kind of bright. Kind of vivid. It's just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And it is serged all the way around. Product numbers and names at the top. How big it is here, 150 by 141. So not very big. And once again, the back stitching is going to make everything, but the canvas is nice and clear, no smearing. Look how big this key is compared to the last one we just looked at. So very nice. Very, very, very nice. Beautiful. And this, you know, until you get to the back stitching, I'm going to say this would be an easy stitch. There is nominal, if any. I don't even really see any confetti. You know, like every third one is something else. It doesn't look like that. All right, this one's kind of small, so it's 34.5 centimeters, or a little over 13.5 inches by, a little bit over 13. So 13.1/8 inch, or 33.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 10.25 inches, or 26 centimeters by almost 10.75 inches, or 27 centimeters. Not very big at all. This would be a very easy stitch. Just do the stitching. You know, the back stitching's going to take a hot moment, but not horrible like that basket of kittens. Holy cow. So yeah, I just like this. I thought it was cool. And they've printed out the wording. So all you got to do is follow that. So that is very easy. Very, very nice. Now, that is all that I got from GBFKE. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Some days we're having days. All right. GBFKE, if they have any specials or if I have any specials, it'll be at the beginning or in the description box below. They do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also have embroidery and beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for all of that, and they always have great prices and a big selection of things to pick. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching me today and putting up with my videoing antics. Oh my goodness, I don't think I've ever done that. Oh my goodness, I'm embarrassed. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.